you want it.
Hi, Joe from Miniature Landscape Hobbies here. Just got this package in the mail. Now, I know what this is, and I'm super excited about it. This is a copy of the Aliens game by Gale Force 9 for me to review. So that's something I really appreciate it. I'm of the generation where the movie Aliens is just, well, so awesome. Although, really, my favorite movie there is probably Alien. I think Aliens comes pretty close. And when you talk about space marines blasting alien creatures with acid blood, I don't really think there is a much better premise for a game. So let's get into this, take a look, and see what we've got.
Ready to get it on.
Haha, awesome. So I've been looking forward to this, as I said, for quite a while. And I think this is even more interesting in that it's a cooperative game. So you don't actually play against the other players. It's not Space Marines versus the aliens versus the Xenomorphs. It's actually the players play the Space Marines and the Xenomorphs are played automatically. So I guess that means you could probably play this game solo if you wanted. So that's pretty cool too. Now, my son Hastings is a fan of the Aliens franchise, and he's buzzing around here waiting for me to open this up, and hopefully we're going to play it tonight. Truth be told, I've already read the rules. I downloaded a copy of the rules so I could try to be as ready for it as I am. But we can see that it's got quite a few miniatures in it. So I imagine I'm going to spend most of the night preparing models rather than actually playing the game. But we'll see. So 7 characters, including Newt, Ripley, etc. Some of the regular characters we all know from the series, and of course Hudson is Game Over Man.
Game over, man. It's game over.
And 16 xenomorphs. So that's pretty neat. Yeah, let's get into it. Take a closer look inside. I really don't know what this box is going to have in it. And I haven't really played a game like this for a while. It's more of a board game, and I don't really, truth be told, I really don't like board games, but I think this is more like a hybrid between a board game and a miniature game, and that's pretty cool. I suppose it's kind of like, dare I say it, Space Hulk. All right, rule book. So we'll come back to that. This is the missions. Oh, here's the rules for assembly. So xenomorphs and humans. Should be really fun to paint. Don't worry, I'll be back with painting tutorials. And then they come with these cards of the layout of the, I guess, the areas in which you play the game. So there's a few of these different map options. That's pretty nifty. Some of the locations we know from the movie, I suppose. Different tokens, xenomorphs, face huggers, sentry guns. I've got to go see if I can find an extended length copy of Alien to watch, the one with the with more scenes in it, including the sentry guns.
Come on, guys. Let's get the hell out of here. Hudson here. A and B sentries are in place and key. Do it.
Some dials to keep track of your aim, if I remember correctly. The characters themselves. Ripley, Hicks, the all-important Hudson, Vasquez, Gorman, Frost. I really liked Frost's character in the movie, even though he's in it for a very short time. Newt. And then the models themselves. They come in green plastic. So there's the smart gun for Vasquez, I guess. So those are pretty good. I guess they're roughly 28 mil. They should be fun to paint. And then lots and lots of aliens, of the xenomorphs. And that looks like they're going to be fairly demanding to build. But that'll be okay in the long run because they'll have a dynamic pose. Dice. Cards for equipment. Parts of the dials, I guess. Reference cards. And there's your motion tracker deck, which I think is pretty cool.
They're in here. The signal's weird. Must be some interference or something. There's movement all over the place.
That is going to be awesome. I can hardly wait to play it. And I can hardly wait to paint it. So don't worry, I'll be back in the fairly near future with painting tutorials on these things. Until then, I've got to get these models assembled and, well, hopefully get playing the game with my sons. All right, so in the meantime, I'll be working on this and other projects. I've got quite a bit on the go for Battlefront at the moment. We're continuing with the Team Yankees series, working with their terrain. There's a lot of new stuff coming up for Team Yankee in particular. And of course, I'll be getting back to some Napoleonics in the very near future as well. So I'll see you back here next week for more miniature building, model painting, and hobby tutorials. See you later.
Game over, man. It's game over.
I'd like to take a quick moment to thank my Patreon supporters. Without their assistance, miniature landscape hobbies would not be possible. If you would like to learn more about the benefits of becoming a Patreon supporter, please check the link in the video description. That's it for this episode. I hope you enjoyed watching it as much as I enjoyed making it. Please remember to subscribe, press the bell button so you get immediate notification on our videos, and until next time, remember to keep building life in miniature.